So, hi everyone. We would start with pre Congress. The first question is: in which year the first census was introduced in India? 1872. In 1872 AD, the first census was done in India under the leadership of Lord Mayo. In 1881 AD, under the rule of Lord Ripon, the official census was started regularly. 1872 में शुरू हुआ लॉर्ड मेयो के उसमें, लेकिन फिर 1881 से फिर वो रेगुलरली रिपन के टाइम से वो शुरू हो गया ना. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन: हु स्टैब्लिश्ड एन इंडियन एसोसिएशन इन 1876 एडी? तो सुरेंद्रनाथ बैनर्जी. Indian Association was first declared nationalist organization founded in British India by Surendranath Banerjee and Anand Mohan Bose in 1876. Next question: the precursor of the Indian National Congress was Indian Association. Who attended the Imperial Darbar of 1877 dressed in handspun khadi? तो 1877 का दरबार तो फर्स्ट था ना. और हाँ, और सेकंड दिल्ली दरबार हुआ था 1903 और थर्ड दिल्ली दरबार हुआ था 1911. तो हु अटेंडेड इंपीरियल दरबार ऑफ 1877 ड्रेस्ड इन हैंडस्पन खादी? तो इट वाज गणेश वासुदेव जोशी. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन: बॉम्बे प्रेसिडेंसी एसोसिएशन was established by? तो इट वाज बाय केटी तिलांग, बाय बदरुद्दीन तैयब जी. तो ये आंसर हो जाएगा, मोर देन वन ऑफ दीज. Next question: the object of the Butler Committee of 1927 was to improve the relationship between the government of India and the Indian states. So the Butler Committee was also known as Indian State Committee, was set up in 1927 to examine the nature of the relationship between the princely states and the British power in India. It was a 3-member committee with Sir Harcourt Butler as the chairman and William Searle Holdsworth and Sidney Peel as other members. It gave the following recommendation: the paramountcy of the British over the princely states was retained, and the relationship between them was identified as a living and growing relationship shaped by the circumstances and policy resting on the mixture of history and theory. Next question: which of the following princely states was not annexed by the British? Gwalior. During the freedom struggle, a parallel movement launched in the Indian states, in the states ruled by Indian rulers such as Kashmir, Nizam's Hyderabad, Travancore, etc., was Prajamandal movement. So the Prajamandal movement was a part of the Indian independence movement from the 1920s, which was started by the people of princely states. The earliest of them was in Baroda in 1917, followed by Kathiawar, Mysore, Hyderabad, etc. These were organized because the people in princely states were more exploited than their counterparts in British provinces. They were burdened with higher land taxes and non protection of civil liberties and were largely deprived of modernization. In 1927, various Praja Mandals grouped to form All India States People's Conference. Which of the following year Surendranath Banerjee was eliminated from Indian civil services? So 1874. Surendranath Banerjee was second Indian to pass the Indian civil service examination and was appointed for a post in Sylhet. However, in 1874 he was dismissed. He was also known as Rashtra Guru. He also formed the Indian Association in 1876. Surendranath Banerjee became the first Indian to go to jail for the performance of his duties as a journalist. Surendranath Banerjee was also called as the Indian Burke. Sri Satyendranath Tagore, brother of Sri Rabindranath Tagore, was first Indian to pass the Indian Civil Service examination in 1864. Last question. In which year was Surendranath Banerjee terminated? So it was 1874. Test your knowledge. The Theosophical Society was founded by H.P. Blavatsky and H.S. Olcott. Who has started Mohammedan Anglo-Oriental College? Sir Syed Ahmed Khan. मैच द फॉलोइंग. तो आर्य समाज का हो जाएगा 1875, ब्रह्मो समाज का 1828, रामकृष्ण मिशन का हो जाएगा 1897, तत्वबोधि सभा का 1830. नहीं तो ए हो जाएगा इसका. द वर्नाक्युलर प्रेस एक्ट वॉज रिपील्ड इन 1882. कंसिडर द फॉलोइंग about Tattva-Bodhini Sabha. It was founded in 1839. It was founded by Devendranath Tagore. It was a splinter group of Brahmo Samaj. It was devoted to the systematic study of India's past with a rational outlook. तो ये चारों